Solve the following equation. Separate multiple answers with a comma. So this is in standard form already, equals 0. So we need to identify what's A, what's B, what's C, because that goes into this, the quadratic formula. So A is by x squared, A is 2, B is by x, it's 3, and C is what's by itself, 2. So if you don't have the quadratic formula memorized, just keep writing it down. So B is 3 plus or minus square root. And then again, B is 3, so 3 squared minus 4. And then A is 2, C is 2. All divided by 2 times A, and A is 2. So I replaced all of that, and now I need to simplify just the square root part. So I'm going to put in the calculator everything under the square root. So 3 squared minus 4 AC. I think that was right, 422. And I got -7. So when it's negative, it's going to be a complex solution and have an I. So I is the square root of -1, remember? So we take out the square root of -1 and write I. And then we still have square root of 7, which 7's a prime number. We can't simplify it. That's it. So we're going to take this and put it back up here. Everything else stayed the same. We still have x equals, we still have -3, plus or minus, but now we have I square root of 7 over 4. So last thing is to split the plus or minus. So remember the 4 goes to both of these. So my first solution is -3/4 plus I square root of 7 over 4, comma, -3/4 minus. So we have two answers. They're the same except the plus or minus. So when I type it in, -3/4 plus, then I always put parentheses here because I don't want it to get split up, square root of 7 over 4. Copy, comma, paste, and then change my plus to a minus because that's the only difference. That should be a 4. Why did I do a 5? And then check your preview. Make sure it looks right.